Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Sorich Organics Orange Peel Powder, dried orange peel powder, 50-gram quantity, retails for price 125 rupees. The product is available on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon. I had bought this from the Nykaa application. This is non-sponsored video. Product is made in India. Let's see the ingredients. Orange peel powder. That's it. Let's see features. Gently exfoliates dead skin and reduces the sun tan, controls excess sebum production, antibacterial and antimicrobial properties, vegan, no added preservatives. How to use: 1 tablespoon orange peel powder plus pinch of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Mix everything well into a fine paste. Apply the mask on the face and then wash it off after 5 to 10 minutes. You can use orange peel powder as a hair mask. The recipe is there on the Nykaa page. I don't use this on my hair. I just use orange peel powder on my face. Here is my review. I have using this from a month nearly. Average quality product, costly, very fine powder. But there is no fragrance of orange peel. I have made homemade orange peel powder and its aroma spreaded everywhere. Even whenever I applied that as a face mask, it feels amazing sweet fragrance. But this one, just nothing. I didn't like this product, will never buy this again. Even it is not in the orange color. Feels like something else, like soil. No orange smell. Still, you wanted to try, then you can. But I prefer homemade powder only. If you have also tried this Sorich Organics orange peel powder, then you can share your review in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.